There are 7 parties in conference, including you.
So the first thing you're going to do is just log into the system. I'm going to use Anne's account as an example, but you'll all have your own username and password. So when you log in, you're going to see the reviewer's main menu, and it's going to have an option to view your review assignments, update your profile, include changing your password, and then there's a couple other options to view our active programs, and then also some reports. But the main one you're going to want to focus on is the View Review Assignments option. It's going to be that first option. So you can go ahead and click on that. And then there's a button that says Search All Assignments. You can go ahead and just click that, and it will display everything that's been assigned to you. And so you'll see your assignments here, and you're going to go ahead and click on the review title for the ones that you're reviewing. And that's going to bring you to the review sheets. And it's organized into tabs. There's 5 tabs, and the first tab you're going to see is the application. So it's going to be everything the applicant submitted, and this is where their answers to all the questions are going to be. This is basically what you will be reviewing, is on that first application tab. The second tab is the attachments tab. So this is where you can access any of the attachments the applicant has uploaded. And the third tab is the review sheet tab. So this is where you're going to enter your scores and comments. And on this tab also there's a 90-minute clock that will log you out, and anything you've done since hitting the Save as Review in Progress button on the bottom of that tab will be lost. So I suggest, maybe working one question at a time, saving after each question, just to be safe. And then when you're all done, you're going to click this Review Complete button, and it's going to send it off to your review liaison. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to do that for each of your review assignments. Does anybody have any questions? Or does Anne or Kimberly want to add anything?
Is that the same way we've done it in the past, or that's different?
Yeah, it's similar to what was done with the research grants.
Oh, okay. So the same logging I could do?
Yes. Yeah, you'll use your same login.
Is the review sheet similar? I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because it'll be apparent when we actually go on to it. Is it a similar categories to the research grants, or are they some of them different?
They're going to be pretty similar. The language might be a little bit different because it's going to be geared toward outreach as opposed to research.
Okay. And I guess for anybody on the phone, I had over the years collected 3 different sign-in names. And so I contacted the water board because I wanted to change my affiliation. I wasn't with the Wine-Grant Commission anymore, and the water board was able to consolidate all of them into one account. So I was really pleased at that. So now I only have one sign-in account, and everything is there. So I appreciated that flexibility. They were able to do that.
Oh, good.
Actually, as an add-on to that, I guess, if we did do that and you are reviewing for more than one department or program, you may have more than one option in this organization drop-down.
Okay.
So just make sure it's the one that says, Department of Pesticide Regulation before you hit search.
Can you hear me? This is Kim.
Yeah, go ahead, Kim.
Sorry, I'm playing with my mute button here. I'm not totally sure how this phone works. I was just wanted to point out also that once you do push submit to liaison, you will not be able to see your your comments anymore, so it's good to make your own copy of everything you said if you'd like to have it for future reference.
Good point.
And if for any reason you want to make any changes, you can let either Kim or I know, and we can reassign a proposal to you so that you can see it again.
Okay.
If it's before the deadline.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
And the deadline for scores is May 5th.
Well, that's all I've got if nobody has any extra questions.
No, I'm set too. If it's similar, which it looks like, then I don't have any questions.
I don't have any question. I have done this with the research proposal, so if it's the same, then I don't think it's going to be a problem.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Yeah. One thing I did want to note is that I know that for the FAAST system, what is it, the first weekend of every month from Saturday to Monday, FAAST is unavailable. Is that right, Andrew?
Yeah.
And that includes the reviews?
Yeah.
So since this coming weekend is that weekend, you probably won't be able to access the proposals until Monday.
Okay.
Even though I mentioned in my email that
Mm-hmm.
the period starts on Saturday, but they'll be available on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, and the system says it'll be down through Monday morning, or 6 a.m. Monday morning, I think, is what we've put on there. But it should realistically only be down for a few hours on Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot that when I put the email together, but hopefully it won't be a big deal.
Yeah. Okay.
Does anybody else have any questions?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Well,
Well, thank you.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye. Thank you, Andrew, for hosting the meeting.
Sure.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
The leader has disconnected. This call will now end.